10 years younger in just 10 days. Try this natural remedy. Now, want to erase years of skin damage? Without expensive creams, most definitely, or expensive treatments. There are 3 natural oils that can smooth fine lines, fade the blemishes, and bring back your skin's natural glow. And you could see the difference in as little as just 10 days. Now, unlike store-bought creams that only plump your skin and smooth for a few hours, these oils repair and nourish your skin, so the results actually last. Here's why they work so well. The first reduces fine lines and brightens dull skin. Rosehip oil packed with vitamin A and C. It penetrates deep to boost your collagen, fade those fine lines and even out the skin tone. But what if your skin is oily or feels out of balance? The second actual oil works and it teaches your skin how to regulate itself. Jojoba oil. Its structure mimics your skin's natural sebum, balancing oil production, deeply hydrating and repairing the barrier, all without clogging pores. Great. And if scars or age spots are your main concern, the third oil is a game changer. Frankincense essential oil. Now just a few drops in a carrier oil stimulates cell regeneration, tightens skin and reduce scars, blemishes and age spots. Massage a few drops of this blend into clean skin each night. Within a week, you'll notice a smoother, firmer, more radiant skin. So try this blend tonight and watch your skin transform. And if you'd like a complete guide to natural skincare, yes please, and anti-aging remedies, explore our Natural Holistic Beauty Certification course or our Natural Essential Oils course inside the Smart Majority membership. You can try either or both of them free for 7 days. Wonderful! Your membership gives you access to over 150 courses, yes, on holistic health, natural remedies and emotional skills, from Ayurveda, yoga and essential oils to emotional intelligence, stress management, oh yes, and so much more. And you won't be alone. You know, you'll be joining a community of over 40,000 graduates who've already transformed their lives with Smart Majority. So, after your free trial, you can continue with 60% off your very first year. So that's just $9.97 a month. And you can cancel anytime. So tonight, start with 3 essential oils, and if you're ready to go deeper, join us at smartmajority.com. Your path to radiant skin and a healthier, more vibrant you. See you soon.